I'm so excited for this. Then look at this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. As you can tell, today's video is not a beauty video, it's actually a decorating video, but usually my content is beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I was so excited about decorating for Christmas that I forgot to film an intro, and then I didn't film an outro. So I need to film an outro too. But anyway, if you want to see how I decorate my Christmas tree, make sure you keep on watching. I know that the lighting is not ideal, but I'm actually filming this at night because we just got the Christmas tree and a lot of the decorations that we're going to be using, and I wanted to show you the decorations in the container before they're on the tree. I will show you obviously the tree, the finished product. I'm so excited. I love decorating for Christmas. My best friend is coming over to help decorate, so I just think, I'm just looking forward to it. From Walmart, we actually got the tree from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, I'll obviously show you the finished product for that. And then from Walmart, we got, so the theme that we're going with is, like I was said in one of my videos, is going to be silver and white. I was kind of thinking more like white with silver accents, but I feel like it's going to be kind of more 50-50, if anything, maybe a little bit more silver. But I think we might have some white ornaments as well that we already had that we can use. But this is 26 shatterproof ornaments for $4.98. I just thought this was a great deal. Like 26 ornaments for basically $5. And there are an assortment, like it's not just, you know, like plain silver or anything like that. You got some glittery ones in here, and then you have like some textured ones like right there. You have like more of a matte silver with a pattern a little bit right here, and those are a different shape as well. I wanted different sizes and obviously like different textures and everything like that, especially since it is a pretty neutral tree. Like it's just, you know, silver and white. I don't know, like I'm so excited for this. Then look at this, to like back up to show you, because this is 75 ornaments, 70 shatterproof ornaments for $24.98. So yeah, 70 ornaments for basically $25. And there's all different kinds with this one. Like at the top, you just have some different textures. They're actually like all different. You have like two little snowman here, some pine cones on the back. Oh, and then you have like kind of like the same section like you have up here. Then down here you have like some really large looking lights, like they're ornaments, but they look like light bulbs. And then in the middle here you have like some icicles. You have some white ones, and then you have some silver sparkly ones on the other side. Then back here you have some sparkly snowflakes. You have silver ones, and you also have white ones. And you have like that same design again, and then you have some owls. You have like some icicles back here, and then at the very bottom you have some of those same ornaments that you've kind of had periodically. But yeah, I just like 70 ornaments, and also it goes with the theme. I just thought that was a great deal. So both of those were from Walmart. And then like I said, the Christmas tree that we got is a 9-foot Christmas tree from not from Walmart, from Hobby Lobby. It is a Christmas tree Y, in case you were wondering. We did also get some Christmas decor while we were there as well to go on the trees, obviously. So this is 12 white ornaments. Also, I just wanted to get like just white because it seemed like we had kind of like a lot of silver. And I just thought that these were so pretty. Like this has, I'm not really sure if there's one. Let me get one out so I can kind of show you. But I really loved these ones because they have like a little deer design and then like some snowflakes, and I just thought that they were so pretty and dainty. We do already have the Christmas hooks that you need for these. I don't know if we're gonna have enough, but I guess we'll find out. And then the ribbon to go around it we got looks like this. And then also Christmas stuff whenever we went was 50% off. So this was 50% off of $12.99, so $6.50. Yeah, I think like $6.50 for 12 of them, so also a pretty good deal. And then this was you get 90 feet of ribbon for $9.99, and that was 50% off, so $5. And then this has like a snowflake design on it. Let me take off the plastic so I can kind of, I don't know, I don't really want to take off the plastic so I can show you, but I don't know how well you'll be able to see. I think you can kind of see. Just has some glittery snowflakes on here. And then for the tree skirt, I'm not really sure what we're gonna do because I know like they have tree collars now. I'm not sure if they want to do that because also our dog Milo hasn't been around a Christmas tree because our Christmas tree that we've had since we had him was in just like a section of the house that he couldn't really get to. I don't think that he has been around a Christmas tree that I can think of. But anyway, hopefully he does fine with it and doesn't try to, I don't know. But yeah, I'm super excited to decorate and I will show you the Christmas tree whenever it's decorated. This is what the tree looks like so far. It's not done. That larger ornament we got yesterday at Walmart. This one is glittery. Mom wanted 3 large ornaments and then this white one. We were debating if we were gonna get 3 silver or 2 silver and 1 white. Mom decided on a white one and I am glad we got the white one because I think I really love this one especially. I just think it looks really nice in the tree. And that one was from Walmart. Actually, most of these ornaments are from Walmart. There are some from Hobby Lobby as well, as you already saw. But this is the progress so far. I will show you like a slower up close with the ornaments later as well. But I just wanted to kind of show you the progress. And also, I feel like especially right there, that ribbon, I'll try to fix that. The ribbon is from Hobby Lobby, as you also saw. But I might try to place the ribbon a little bit better. And my best friend helped decorate as well, so I'm very happy that she helped us, and I love how the tree is coming along. Once again, I'm filming this clip at nighttime. This is a completely different day also. I feel like you'd be able to tell because my hair is done now. Just got these highlights. I love it. But anyway, we got more stuff for our Christmas tree. We got pretty much the finishing touches. We got some stuff from Hobby Lobby. First, I'm going to show you non-Christmas tree decor, but it is Christmas decor. It's just this little sign. It's not that little. It's a sign that says Merry Christmas, and I love the neutral vibes of this. I just love this. We have like, if you saw the empty house tour, once again, I will link that. There's these like cutouts that you can use as bookshelves or something for decor. So this will probably go on one of those, or at least that's my idea for it. Or maybe even, I feel like this could actually go on the mantle above the fireplace as well. But either way, I'm sure I'll find some place for this. I love that. I love decorating for Christmas and Christmas decor. My shirt says Happy Camper, and that is very much how I'm feeling right now. I love Christmas decor. So as I've already mentioned before as well, so our decor is mostly silver and white. As you've seen, I've already showed you the tree, and then we have like an accent color of this kind of like it's not a royal, maybe like a dusty blue. I really like that color. It's kind of, I don't know if you can tell by my rug or not. I feel like it's kind of similar to that, but also I just think it'll be a pretty color. And then we also got these really pretty ones. These were $14.99 and then 50% off of that. Let me show you this one in particular. And then it also already has the thing to hang it on as well, so you don't have to use like a hook to hang it on, which is fine, but that's what we've had to do with a lot of our other ornaments. So I really loved these. I was almost a little indifferent or not totally sure how I'd feel about like the flurries on top, but I just think that they're really pretty. I love the color so much. And then, so there's 8 in here, and then there's obviously 3 of these ones, and then we also got these, and there's 12 of these. These were $12.99 and then 50% off of that. I was a little iffy because these are a little bit of a different shade of blue than this. I don't know how much you'll be able to tell. I feel like on camera it looks like it's the same shade, but also my mom really loved these. And they are pretty as well, and as you can see, these are even smaller than these, so these are different sizes as well, so it kind of goes along with that idea. Then we also got a tree skirt from there. This was $49.99, and then once again 50% off of that, so $25. And this is what the tree skirt looks like. They had some other white options as well, and I was also on the fence of the tree skirt. I just wanted to make sure, obviously, that we really love it, and also I like that it has like a silver accent. I'm just really hoping that our dog Milo doesn't mess this up, but we will kind of keep an eye on him, obviously, whenever he's, out and about in the house. I'm going to go put these on, and I will actually I don't think I'm going to show you the finished tree tonight because also we don't have the tree topper done yet, but don't worry, I am going to show you the finished tree whenever that is all completed. I know, we still don't have a tree topper on it, but at this point I'm almost kind of used to it without a tree topper, and I think that the tree is still beautiful without it. I'm sure we'll get a tree topper eventually or something will go up there, but I just wanted to show you kind of like the overview of the finished tree. So here it is at the top, and I'll just kind of show you all the way to the bottom. I love this so much. Like, I don't say every single day I love this tree so much, but I mean, it's just, it makes me so happy. So let me just kind of do like the pan down again, so you can kind of see from this angle, and I'll show you from a different angle as well. These two Santa and Mrs. Claus we've had for years, so I think that they are going to stay there. Here's kind of from this angle. This is my room right here. If you didn't see the house tour, I will link that video for you if you haven't seen it. So I'll kind of point out, I guess, where, you know, like I'm just gonna call these like navy, dusty blue, whatever those ornaments are. So here's one of the larger ones that we got from Hobby Lobby. All of the navy blue ones we did get from Hobby Lobby. So here's kind of an up close. And I know whenever it does get more up close, this ribbon might look a different color, but it is silver. The tree is, you know, silver and white with the blue accents. So here's one of the blue ones up close, and then I'll just kind of go down. And this is the largest size of the ornament that we have, of one of the ornaments that we have. Like I said earlier, we got that one from Walmart. And also another thing, just because you can basically see all angles of this tree, I have ornaments even, you know, kind of on the back. Now, obviously the back isn't decorated as much. Like you can see, this is from the different side. Obviously there's ornaments back here as well. The snowman is seriously like one of my favorites. I love the snowman. If you liked this video, make sure you click right here. Also, I will link the house tour. I recommend you watching that one, so just click right here. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.